All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, the using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back, using the Drip network to get 1% ROI on your investment every single day. All kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to go over VVS Finance. Yep, VVS Finance is up right this second. It's fantastic in the last 7 days. We're going to go over that. Check out their website. Check out their Twitter account. And we're going to go to an article as what is VVS Finance? We're going to kind of figure out what it is for the people that don't know. And then also, if you're on the dating scene, you may want to mention cryptocurrency on your profile. You may want to mention when you're talking. I guess the other sex is finding it desirable if you mention cryptocurrency on your dating scenes and stuff. We're going to kind of go over that. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to VVS Finance. All right, at CoinMarketCap, VVS Finance is number 420. Take a look at this. It's fantastic. It's up 19% in the last 7 days. That's pretty good, everybody. 20% almost. It's up 4% in the last 24 hours. Clicking it. It says it's ranked number 421. Again, up 4.69%. There's 4 zeros, and a 4021 is the price that it's at right this second. So take a look in the last 24 hours. It's on an uptick, which is going really nice to the right, which is fantastic. Looking at the last 7 days, it's if you would have to get an ATV to come up this mountain and stuff. But really nice, all the way up and to the right, up 19 to 20%. VVS Finance, fantastic, everybody. So over here at the Twitter account, VVS Finance is your gateway to decentralized finance movement. All right, right here on the Twitter account, it says we're excited to bring the Polkadot token to Cronus ecosystem. By partnering with Crypto.org, Chain, and Crypto.com, Cronus aims to unlock more liquidity and yield opportunities for various crypto assets on Cronus and the IBC ecosystem. All right, over here at the website, very, very simple DeFi trading for all, your gateway to decentralized finance movement. Take control of your finances and earn sparkly VVS rewards. Learn more about VVS Finance. Now take a look over here, how you see the little miner to the right underneath here mining and stuff. Isn't that kind of nice? We aim to make DeFi simple and within reach, billions, low fees, fast transactions, and competitive earnings. You know, a couple good things. They got shiny yield farming opportunities, streams of passive income to your multiple of your assets. The rarest and brightest yield farming in VVS Farm. So passive income is a big thing these days. Clear incentives for all, token economics, and incentives built for long-term value creations. Our minds will always be bountiful. And then the hardened security and governance designed with security in mind. Community governance at heart, platform governance with the path gradual to the community. So choose your path to join the DeFi movement. I like to start over to the right. Be a VVS miner. Your passive income. Crystallize your VVS token staking for a fixed amount to receive earned more VVS tokens. Stake and forget that's simple. In the middle here it says be a liquidity provider. Low minimums. Supply a token pair to receive liquidity provider LP tokens. Collect transaction fees and farmy shiny VVS rewards. Be a DeFi trader or swap instantly. Instant swap tokens with low fees, slippage. Keep your eye on the new pairs with new listings. All right, a lot of good stuff going on at VVS Finance. So, do you work with VVS Finance? Have you checked it out? Are you into it? Is this your first time checking it out? All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's go to this article about what is VVS Finance. It says right here, VVS Finance. What is VVS Finance? Right here, for people that don't know, it says decentralized finance, DeFi, can be quite intimidating for newcomers. Very, very simple. VVS Finance aims to make decentralized finance, DeFi, easy and fun for all. So VVS is very, very simple. The cross-chain DeFi platform powered by Cronus blockchain uses AMM. VVS Finance provides a platform for users to easily swap tokens and earn yields while paying cheap transaction fees and avoiding, get that, and avoiding slippage. In addition, VVS Finance offers several liquidity pools, staking, and opportunities to discover new projects within their initial gem offering, IGOs programs. There's also trading events that users can enter free and earn prize according to terms and events. Users' reward are in VVS, the platform native token. VVS is also needed to access certain features as a governance token. All right, here's some features of VVS Finance. Bling swap, liquidity provision, crystal farming, glitter mining. Glitter mining, users can stake VVS to earn more VVS and automatically compound benefits. Initial gem offering, IGOs, users can get access to exclusive sales of new tokens from new projects launching on Cronus. An analytical tools, overall performance of token is available, and an easy dashboard viewing. So you got a couple of our features there. I like this part right here. Beefy Finance is now traded on VVS. We are working on this exciting partnership. More details to come. Beefy Finance trading now on Cronus Chain. Thanks to the VVS Finance, the leading DEX on Cronus, Beefy Finance has been whitelisted. Liquidity has been added, so nothing holds BVF Finance back. BV Finance is now listed on VVS Finance. Start trading today. Oh, that's fantastic. All right, so a little bit of what VVS Finance is. Now, what about the dating scene? We're going to come back to VVS Finance. We'll do a price prediction a little bit when we're done here. But the dating scene, they're saying if you talk about cryptocurrency, if you put it in your profile, it could be appealing. So we're going to go over this for a second. Then we'll come back over to VVS Finance. All right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Owning cryptocurrencies may make you more desirable on the dating scene, studies find out. In the wake of the pandemic, singles are looking for partners in good financial standings. This doesn't mean you have to have money in the bank. These days, your investment is digital currency can set you apart. Now, Valentine's Day is approaching. Single men and women are setting out the sights to find their partner with financial stability, but suave, especially when it comes to digital currency. To this point, 33% of Americans said they would be likely to go on a date with somebody who mentioned cryptocurrency or crypto assets on their dating profile. Furthermore, nearly 3 in 4 would be interested in a second date with a person who paid their bills in Bitcoin, according to a survey on eToro. And here's a nice number. The number of merchants accepting crypto payments is nearly 100 million, according to Visa's recent earnings. A couple other good statistics. Digital assets like non-fungibles and NFTs are desirable. Nearly 20% of singles would be interested in a romantic if they set an NFT as their profile picture on the social platform dating site. Here's the interesting statistic. About 16% of Americans have invested in cryptocurrency. They say men, or about 22% of men, own cryptocurrency, and only about 10% of women own cryptocurrency. So yeah, so when you're owning cryptocurrency, may make you more desirable on the dating scene. So when you're on the dating scene, and the rent's coming up, or your mortgage is coming up, you want to say something like, you know what? Should I pay my rent in my mortgage in Bitcoin this month, or should I go ahead and pay it in Dogecoin Mars or Dog Elon? I mean, or should I do Polkadot? You know, so throw some, you know what, maybe Dogecoin. I haven't paid my bills in Dogecoin in about 3 months. Let's use the Dogecoin. Those are stacking up real nice. You know, you may want to throw those kind of things in there when you're talking and throw it on your profile page. All right, everybody, let's head back over to VVS Finance, do a little price prediction, and go from there. Here we go. Again, over here at the website, VVS Finance. VVS tokens is at the core of the VVS Finance. Value, utilities, and governance. Value, stake for rewards. The bread and butter for our miners. Stake VVS and earn VVS. Utilities, stash to join. VVS Union Club, the more you put in, the more you get out. Governance, hold and vote, coming soon. So everybody knows about that. Community, we are a simple group of DeFi enthusiasts who desire to build a platform of peers will use and love. So join the chat, and you can bet and keep your ears wide open. All right, over here at Coin Market Cap, what's our price prediction? So this token is up 20% right now. So you kind of got to, as it went up as much as it's going to do, or is it still going to climb, or is it going to bounce back down? So there's 4 zeros and a 40.15. I'm thinking it's going to go 4 zeros and a 44.15. It's about 10% up. Keep an eye on this. The coin is up right now, 19%. All our information is for educational purposes only. Again, back at Coin Market here, VVS Finance up 19% in the last 7 days. So pretty awesome, everybody. So there's a little tutorial. What is VVS Finance? Seems like a very easy platform. It's going to make it easy for everybody. on your dating scene, talk about cryptocurrency, list it on your profile, maybe put an NFT as your profile pic, all kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. We'll see you a little bit later on today.